This is the Beyond 3 Plus, always on screen. Flip your wrist, your AMOLED screen goes into bright, beautiful colors. This watch has a built-in GPS module. It's nice, small, compact, and easy to operate. When you swipe down, you get notifications sent from your phone if you have any. Swipe up, all kinds of controls. Do not disturb, twist your wrist to see the time, built-in flashlight, super bright display. Over 1,000 nits in this one, easy to see outdoors. Even the ability to drain water from the side speaker. Yes, it's a Bluetooth calling watch as well. If you get it wet, you can just do that and clear it up right away if you want to. You change watch faces by just tapping and holding. And when you switch to a different face, you will notice that it also has a change in the always on screens too. For example, this one here, when it times out, comes back, did you see that? As a separate little red display. So wonderful, wonderful capabilities and controls on this one. When you go in, tap the button, you get into your app drawer. You got activities, workouts, and step, heart rate, sleep time, and stress. Ladies, menstrual cycles there, breathing exercises, all the standard stuff you see in a smartwatch. Weather in your area and other areas can be entered into it. A music player that plays music from the phone, not through the watch on this one. World clocks and overall settings. As you slide over, you have a one-button start to get heart rate, blood oxygen, and stress measurements. You've got your activity circle with your number of steps, heart rate displayed, and an instant reading right there. Last night's sleep time info and charts when you look at it on the app. When you come this way, you get different suggestions that you can dive into. A stopwatch running in the background, mind you. When you swipe again, you get weather overall in your area with a forecast. One more swipe gives you workouts, and you can dive into those things too. And again, it's integrated with a GPS module and can tie that data into Strava and some other apps as well. It's very, very nice, very lightweight. It is the Beyond 3 Plus. Check it out.